Welcome to the 4-minute workout. Let's start with jumping jacks. In 3, 2, 1, start. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay, let's move on with wall sit. In 3, 2, 1, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Up next, push-ups in 3, 2, 1, go! Don't stop. 3, 2, 1, stop. Now let's do some lunges. Start with the right leg. In 3, 2, 1, go! Three, 2, 1, stop. Now the other side. Go! 3, 2, 1, stop. Now take a deep breath and time for a plank. In 3, 2, 1, go! Hold on tight. 3, 2, 1, stop. You are doing awesome. Now let's move on with some squats. In 3, 2, 1, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Now some ab scissors. These are the last ones. In 3, 2, 1, go! Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,